We're about to go live on YouTube. If I've set this up correctly, I had to reset a couple things. We got YOLO Hour. Pretty sure that I've got the. Let me see if I can change this little logo here. Not gonna let me change it while I'm live. So, all right, we are in YOLO Hour. Let me start up the TikTok. We'll get it going here real soon, real quick before anybody actually joins. And we are off. This is YOLO Hour Monday. It is November 1st. Congratulations. Big shout out to everyone who made it to November 1st and survived the candy corn from last night, right? This is not financial advice. You can and will lose money. We just do this for fun and beer and pizza money. That's basically it. We, if you've never played YOLO Hour before, we FOMO into stocks. We're looking for big green sequoias or just big green candles going straight up. We FOMO in, and sometimes we trade heavy. But either way, what we do is we try to make a little money, like I said, for beer and pizza. And in the meantime, we also talk some news, some crypto for sure, because crypto is my first love. But that's what we do. So this is YOLO. You can see on the screen. I do use Robinhood for options. And we do use Robinhood to find our rockets faster, right? Also use another site right here. This will have my turn it up a little bit. It's an AI deal, and they'll call out essentially stocks that are pumping, right? That's what they do, right? So you might hear that. Let me turn that up a little bit and just see if that's working. But so with that being said, yeah, you can see my options again. We're long financials. We're long energy, especially crude. Crude was up to 84. Now it's kind of falling off, but I got GGPI just pumped. So what we do is we go over to a little paper trade GGGI. Is that what just pumped? And while we're on that one, the 1 minute, and I need to get to a different. It's not GGIX. GGI. What is that one? There we go. Yeah. There you go. So that's the AI, and you'll hear that often. All right, so let's get going here. Let's move. Again, we're long energy and financials, and we're doing quite well in most of our options. Some the extended, the closer ones, we're not doing too well, but the ones that are extended, the long ones, we are doing very, very well. So there's NNBR. Now we've heard of it. NNBR. We know it well. It pumps quite often, and does not have a lot of volume, but we're going to take it up because we are here to make a little money. All right, CBOE is now clear. GBT, we're looking at GBT now. GBT pumped on Friday, in fact. It's a 38. We're going to go $10 there. You see, let's get a good fill there. Let's get a good fill. We need to get a good fill here. All right, KOPN is directly sideways up 10%. Skills is up 6%. VRM is up 6%. AXLA is cleared, it's now positive. OCGN's having a heck of a day, up 10%, almost, above 70 now. So DOGZ climbing. MLI. What's up, Kimberly? Good morning to you. It's good afternoon here. So, but good morning to you. MLI is grinding up 2%. That's a hard grind. We've got GTES going sideways. We are looking at CRVA. It's not in a pump. We've got a lot of stocks going sideways. GLYC. We're jumping on GLYC. It looks like it's on a little rocket ride. Got that green morning wood. It's a $2 stock, so it's going to have some staying power behind it. Let's see what it does. What kind of volume? It doesn't have the volume I thought it did, even though it's a penny stock, a true penny stock. We're going to move through here fairly quickly now. HUMA grinding up 14%, still grinding. That one may turn into a rocket as well. BMRN up 3, holding gains. By the way, this is what the market's doing, just so you know. So the market took a dump. Manchin spoke. One of the senators holding up the Biden bill, right? And he spoke, inflation's here to stay, or it's big inflation, and he's not going to have that with the more money printing. So the stock market takes a dump, and now it's in a grind back up. That is what's going on the macro level, and I'm sure we're going to start to see that on the micro level here. All right, ZIOP now grinding. If it clears the tower, it could go. NCNO grinding, STIM grinding. That's a lot of good grinders that we've seen pump before. So it's going to be interesting as we get into more to the hour, if these stocks can really look at GSMG wants to really go. It needs to clear the intraday high, though. Got to clear the intraday high, or it's not a rocket. Now, NNBR is the one that we're in now. That's not exactly a rocket, but the AI called it out as hitting basically intraday highs, right? Cassie turned back. It's got the volume. This one may turn up, so that's an interesting stock. So in 10 minutes, it went 3%. 3%. So there you go. Let's go. Let's keep moving here. See if we can find some. Looking at the P&L just really quickly. GBT, GLCY, we're just down 10 or 20%. Don't know how that's calculating that exactly, but we are down 20%. We did have our best day on Friday. We were up $663. So if you missed that, you missed an exciting time, especially towards the end. It was phenomenal. We were trading big. Now we did do our largest fill at $41,000 to make about, whatever it was, 178. All right, look at VVOS. It loves to run. We saw it last week, earlier in the week. So it's got doesn't have a lot of volume. It's a penny stock for the most part. So we go heavy with it. I'm gonna try to do a little bit more. I've told myself I need to be a little bit more responsible in YOLO, because you can make money doing what we do. Again, it's not the right way to trade, but you can make money. But you got to have good risk management. You got to have good risk management. I think that said BRI. Did I just miss BRI? BRI. It is pumping. Let's see if we can get a little fill here of just 10 on the BRI. We're up. GBT's up good. But we know that we can. That's the thing with knowing what we can do when we trade. When we trade heavy, it's NBR is already turned down. Yeah, that's going the opposite way. We need to get out of that one. Close out of that one. We're done. BSPR. What is BSPR? Let's go. Super search. What's up? That's not a good. That's not what she called out. That can't be correct, or the AI is wrong. Have we ever known the AI to be wrong? Absolutely. It's always wrong. There's really not always wrong. Like XBio gone. He gone. XBIO. We're in this one. We're gonna jump in big. It's literally a penny stock. So we're gonna get a $500 fill. But no, we went $41,000 fill on Friday to make about $120-130. So that is not really what you want to do. That had gone the opposite way. We would have been down, well, at one point we were down 700. So I never even thought we would catch up. But stock. Grill. All right, GRIL is moving. GRIL, we're jumping on that one. That's Muscle Maker. That's been moving all day long. Continues to. It has cleared the tower too, so we are on that one. How big? It's a penny stock as well, and we'll get a good fill there. We're gonna get BBLG. This thing called. I'm just trying this thing out. Oh yeah, BBLG's gone. He gone. DXF. Let's see what that looks like. You got to clear the tower though, brother. It's not clearing the tower yet. Got a $30 buy by the grill. Nice. NMBR we're getting out of. XBio needs to run. Player, you need to decide what you're going to do. GBT is not in a good place. EVLG. We're jumping on that one. Don't have that one. EVLG. It didn't say EVLL. Must have missed. So we've got a $2,700. BBLG just went the wrong way, by the way. It needs to continue to pump. It's cleared the tower. It's still above the tower though. So we're going to continue to hold that one. It's just down 15. If it goes down on the 1 minute to a red candle, it's got a green candle on the 1 minute. So we'll stick with it for just a little while longer. Grill is up 50. We're going to hang with it. It's really, you can hear it's moving. So BBIG, BBLG, I'm gonna stay with it for a little while longer. GBT, that one just looks like a grinder to me. I don't know, but it just doesn't have enough.
IL Muscle Maker shares breaking above the 180 level here. Shares
yeah, so it just broke the 180. They're talking about grill at 180. That is, when it does that, it's cleared the. Very, very, very good. Grill just took a dump though. XBio, not liking what I'm seeing there. I'm gonna hang. If you're going red right now, I can't have you. I got to go the opposite way. All right. Now we're all green. We're up 26. Let me get a good. VVOS doesn't have the volume that we want today, so grill's moving. Just love to hear the big moves. Closing that order. I'm closing GGBT as well. I think GBT PBYI is now moving. PBYI. That's PIMCO. That's not going to move very much. It's not going to move very much. And we're up 30 in grill. What grill? What say you? Keep it going, partner. Keep pumping. Now, if you can beat $2, we are about to blast off. So BBLG, how much volume we talking? We're not talking 15,000. Let me do this. I'm gonna close that one out because I don't really trust that one, and I'll take my $25 and go home with that one. GR there. All right, let's keep moving here, and down the stack we go. Looking at ZIOP, got turned down just past the tower, if you would. Looking at, we're moving here, we're moving. We got to get down here to the bottom. A lot of good grinders though. VVOS is still grinding. It's not the worst stock. We could have stayed in that, but never know. At some point it may sell off. So we'll have to continue to keep an eye on the macro while we look at the micro. So as the stocks continue to move down here, we are in green to IWM, which is one of my favorite. IWM is the ETF for small caps. So IWM is one that you want to stick with. IJT is a small cap. Sorry, IWM is the mid caps. IJT is the small caps, the ETFs. Crypto banks are killing it too. And crypto, basically miners are killing it as well. Mara is in a breakout if you would like to look at that stock as well. MG, what did it say? MGT? How did I go down? MGT cap. No, it's over the counter. We're not doing that one. It's not that one. The AI throws me off sometimes. Again, we had it on Monday, and it did help. There goes Grill again. See, it'll call out Grill, and boom, it's Grill's got to make it. Now it only calls out as it's moving to a higher. Now on the 1 minute, it does not look like Grill's moving that much, and we need to get a good fill on Grill, or we need to get a bigger fill. You know what? I'm gonna buy more. So buy more and buy because it's really moving here. I need to get out ahead of this thing. How I'm down $25, I have no idea. It's somebody would like to explain that to me, please do. All right, here we go. So SEIB moving. I got turned. It did a pivot. Not in a full pullback. Does not have a lot of volume though. KNSA is one that we just KNSA, which you've seen before. All right, it's moving. Big fill here. Big risk. Grill's up 75. We are now up on grill. And grill, we are going to close out, take our money, go home. KNSA just gave us an $85 gift. We're going to take that and go home. I'm up $68 just like that. Pizzas all around for everybody. So as we move up here, GLYC. Again, GLY, how much volume do we have? GLYC. We're going to stick with GLYC. I'm not going to put in a big order for it. It's a penny stock though, so it's not going to affect us much. KNSA is moving. Did I not get out of KNSA? I thought I did. There it goes. BCL. That one will absolutely pump. We've seen it many times. There it goes. Boom. It's a $6 stock. We're going to $3,000 fill here. See if we can really pump up that P&L as we move through the other stocks here. Got to keep that. B cell is a good one. When it's got from what I understand, it's got volume. RE. Oh, look at that one. Did I just see one? Oh, a lot of grinders, man. A lot of grinders here. BVOS is still grinding up hard. What was that one that just turned up? XBio, it was in the green sequoia looking tree, but right now it just fell, did a pullback and a pivot. Man, I'm off my game today. HSTO on it, brother. HSTO. Yep, nice grinder. It's a all right. So I'm down 10 in B cell. What's up with B cell? Why is B cell not pumping? It is now underneath the intraday high. That's not good. That's a dump. Not what I wanted to do. Not what I want to do. B cell, close it. Done. Got to get out to where I'm still positive. Zenetic, I'm short on XBio. I'll close that order as well. And we're done. All right, there are no chambers no bullets in the chamber, if you would. What's up, Dominic? Good to see you, brother. Hope you had a good Halloween. Hope you didn't eat too much candy corn. You know how that goes. Grill. There goes grill again. Should we jump back in? I think we should if it's gonna move. And there it's really moving right now. It's $1,000 fill. So God, look at that battle. Can I get a fill? Give me a big fill, and I'll be good with 17. Boom. Got to 17 quick. Now keep pumping. You're above 2. Come on. Keep it going. I knew if it broke 2 would be good. I'm going to close it. I'm going to take that. Just give me a little bit more grill before I leave, and I'll take that and take it home for right now. There it goes. That's what I'm talking about. Keep that grill pumping, baby. GRIL. Now it was up. It was one of the top ones today, right? Yeah, it's up. It's moving right now because it's up 81%. Right there. We just we're up 40 now. 40. We finished yesterday. I was just telling Kimberly, Dominic, that we finished up about $600 plus on Friday. Our biggest. Literally our biggest win to date. Now, it's not the biggest win by people that are actually trading real money. Walker is still the leader in the clubhouse. KNSA is still turning up. Oh, it did a pivot, though. It's grinding, though. It's got up 27%. What a grind. Look at that. That stock was under $11, and now it's $13 today. What a great day for KNSA. Congratulations if you're in that stock for sure, because that was just a grind all day. So I've got to turn down the news, if you would. So on this station that I listen to for the AI, which I'm trying out the platform right now, they have this news guy that breaks in, right? And he's good. He's fairly short too, or like he speaks in short sentences, and I like that. But boy, he jumps and he's louder than hell, though. You know. AYRO grinding up. ATEC up 5% and still on the grind. Hitting it hard today. TEL. Somebody was telling me TEL was a Motley Fool stock, and that's why it's up today. Just so you know. But fact check me on that. If you go to a information site, TELL. Naked is up today. It may even turn into a rocket, by the way. It's up 6%. Cron is turning over. I believe Cron is Cron? No, that's not the oil and gas. That's something else. SR up 2.5. We got stocks just going sideways right now. I'm guessing what the macro's doing. Macros, the Nasdaq's moving up. Dow's going sideways for sure. So there's your talk. TALC may turn into a rocket here, guys. A real nice term, but I'm not sure if it's there just yet. LRMR. HUD is up today, which is the same thing as MAR. If you were LMN, is it LMNL? LMNL. Let's see what we got. Oh, yeah. It's moving. Does it have the volume? It's got a little bit. We'll jump in there. It's only a dollar stock, so get a $500 fill. See what we got. Dominic, it's on you. Let's go. Let's fill it up. Give me some more bullets in the chamber. By the way, did I not get out of HSTO? I mean, it's just sitting there, right? I mean, look at it. It's not going anywhere. You know why? Volume's low. I don't want that to dump on me. I'll trade out of that. Don't want the dump without me knowing what's going on. All the ARCs are up today. It's good to see that they were all up on Friday as well too. Was that CRISPR? Was that Palantir's up 2? Tesla up 6. Tesla's about to blow through the price target from last week of 1,200. There is another price target of 1,300, which I believe probably blows through next week. A lot of biotech up today, and biotech has really underperformed. KNSA, dang, I got head faked again on the pivot of KNSA. But if you're in KNSA, it's still grinding. So it's not a rocket, but it's damn sure grinding. So watch for it. Like I was saying, a lot of these stocks are just going majorly. So SCYX up. Now, if Anik were here, he'd love this. SCYX is grinding up. It could turn into a rocket. It just needs to pull up a little bit. It needs to pull that joystick. Got turned down the tower. Look at that. 202. Got exactly turned. Now, you usually see it exactly, but that's what happens. We all know it. We've all seen it, right? Did I turn my AI off? And maybe I should go the opposite way. There we go. So not hearing her call out anything right now. That means that things stocks are not making new intraday highs. So, but I'm going to stick with her. I'm going to stick with her a little while longer. She did me well on Friday, along with the people on the stream. Did me very, very well. Loved it. After this, if y'all didn't know what I do after this, it did turn down. All right, we're out. Show did. Dang it. It's all right. We're still up. We're up 20. I'm good for a couple beers, couple Pabst Blue Ribbon, a little PBR action. It's all good though. And what would that be? Like a Chicago style pizza? So we can't do a 12 pack. What's up? Ostadatius 1864. Hey man, happy Monday. Jimmy in the moon. Hey, I'm with you, baby. If you're still diamond handing that, I don't know if I can help you, but I'm in that boat with you. I took my profits off the table. So again, in crypto, if we're going to talk a little crypto here while we're going through looking for rockets, if you're in crypto, here's what you want to do. Kind of a rule of thumb. If the crypto is above the first half highs, that's probably going to be February or March, but maybe even going into April. If the crypto that you want to invest in or that you like is above the first half highs, you can long. That's where I would get long in that stock, right? But it's got to be above the first half highs of the year. If it's above that high, you got to get long in that crypto. I'd say the same thing about stocks too, right? Not a lot of stocks are, but it looks like we are seeing a shift from CBLG. Let's go. I don't have a CBLG. Did I miss it? CBLE? No. I missed the call. So Talk is still, look at Talk, guys. Though that's a grinder. 6%, and it looks like it could take Talkspace could. I just heard HUNA. I think that's Huma. It's going Huma. Yeah. Oh, this is one of my favorite stocks. Boom, boom. $5,000 fill. Here we go. Come on, Huma. Pull it. Now, this is an oil and gas stock. It does pump often, so watch it. This thing can move. It's had a few head fakes before, but again, we are long financials. We are long oil. It is at the intraday high. We had a great fill of $10. Continue to move on the 2 minute. The 1 minute's got a red candle. It could move down here slightly, but I bet it just pulls back. But it's got to stay above, literally above. What is that? What are we calling that? Got to stay above the 1049. 1049, 1050. Let's call it 1050. If it stays above that, we'll stay long. Up 40 though. Here we go. Now we're up 40. Now we're moving. It's still moving, and that is when I check out, when I know it's still moving, and boom, we're now up 75 for the day. Boom. Well, we're up 75 in 24 minutes. Pretty good day. And we are using a little bit of risk management. You took your profits off the table because you're using Robinhood. Can't believe you're using them. Hey, brother, if you hadn't been here before, I use Robinhood to do options. And then I use Robinhood to chase rockets. I do not trade on Robinhood. I trade on Webull, and I trade on Thinkorswim if I'm day trading, or even a nice swing trade I might use. But I use Robinhood to chase the rockets because you see this right here? Because I can see if something's turning up. There's no other platform that lets me do that, right? You can't discount the Robinhood's UI, and you should. Look at ABBC up 142 and grinding down. That's crazy to be up that much. But yeah, we use Robinhood just to chase the rockets. I'm not using this right here. That's all options, bro. I'm up $700 in options today. So hating. Can't believe you're using them. Not hating, but a lot of people got burned by them. Hey, yeah, bro. Hey, look, man. So I'll tell you something else that I say on my TikToks all the time. Look, man, I'm not here to be right. I'm here to make money. So if Hood takes off on a rocket, I'm going to jump on a CRTX. I just saw CRTX by Dominic. Dominic, watch out for that. It looks like the pivot and the pullback is in full effect there, bro. So if that takes off again, I didn't see it before. Yep, got turned back. Love it. Yeah. But here's the thing, man. I don't care what platform you use. I'm here to make money, right? I don't care if it's GME or Hood or whatever shitty stock there is. Like I just called a stock. I called this stock here. Look at that. I called this stock on the weekend. One of the worst stocks I've ever seen. Relative strength sucks. Everything sucks about this stock. Everything. Guess what? An insider told me, I'm going to put $6 million into this thing. And he did it on like Friday. It's up 13%. I'm betting the jockey, not the horse. I don't care. This is a sucky stock. I already got my 10% and got out. In fact, this thing went to 6. I think it went to 17%. So just so you know, that's how we play the game. We play the game not to win. We play the game to make money, right? Not like in fact, I'll go a little bit further. I've got a buddy, a really good buddy of mine, and he's in a Bitcoin SV. He truly thinks that Craig Wright is the owner of Bitcoin and all its and with these patents. Let me tell you, ACR is going crazy. Is it going crazy now? Because that was my call from. Oh, it needs to clear the intraday high, but yeah, it is going off. It's good. So it's up 13% now. So, but it still needs to clear the tower for me to jump in that, because it's got it's sitting on intraday, a little resistance there, and it's gonna have a little resistance up here as well. But yeah, so Buddy loves Bitcoin SV, which is called Satoshi's Vision, right? Not a lot of people know this, but Craig Wright, he's a big, he's gone down the rabbit hole. He's been in crypto about the same amount of time that I have, about 8 years. And he's gone down the rabbit hole and believes in Bitcoin SV, right? And I was telling him, because we met last Thursday, and I'm telling him, I'm like, dude, if Craig Wright's correct, he is going to crash the entire market, and Bitcoin SV is not going to survive too, right? Literally everything would go to hell in a handbasket if he is the owner of Bitcoin. He's like, I don't care, blah, blah. I'm like, dude, you're not wanting to make money. You're doing the exact, you're doing what like literally entry traders do. They want to be right. F being right, man. I'm trying to make money. I don't care if he's got the patents on Bitcoin, right? What I care about is them not coming out. So CRTX moving again. Now we got into CRTX again. So all right. Oh yeah. It's a $14 stock. We'll go $1,400 fill. I need some bulls in the chamber. We're up $69. Feeling pretty good. 30 minutes in, up 70. Got a bad fill. We're down 3 on the minute. The 2 minutes got the big green candle. Of course it would. I need the 2 minute. I need this woman to reverse course. Where's the wick? The wick's up top. So it has cleared the tower. It's moving again. So it did digest. There's the green 1 minute candle. So this should have a green candle as well on the 2 minute and get us out of. There we go. That's what we need. Big pump. What's up, Atil? Good to see you here, brother. I was wondering when you might show up. We're up $69, $76. Sorry, I was a little bit off there, but we just went positive on CRTX. It continues to move up. I'm going to stick with it for a little while longer. It's given us a head fake once before. It had to digest the profits. It looks like it's really moving though. CRTX and I've got the AI on too, by the way, in the background. So you might be hearing it. We're up 13 here. Now, I don't know. Let me scrunch. Let me see if there's anything over here. Yeah, we're going to start hitting resistance. Not that I play that into YOLO Hour right there. All right, so it's going to start hitting resistance from the date from Friday is what's going on. So there you go. CRTX. It's got. Let me just get out with a little profit here. Should be a little bit more profit, and we're out. We'll take our 76 and go home. What is up? 76 Phillips 70. Is there Phillips to 76? Is that what that was? That's a gas station. I have not seen Plug. What is Plug up to today? Is it Killa? Is it a Killa? Oh yeah, it's grinding, brother. Up 8. Congratulations, man. Actually, I need to add that to the list, so I appreciate that. All right, let's move down here through the stack really quickly. If you guys see anything, I am watching the screen like a hawk, and we're moving through here looking for them that big green morning wood we always like. SE and S could turn up. UUU has turned up and now pivoted. Looks like it's going to go sideways. Got some good, like I've been said like 4 or 5 times, like it's some really good grinders today. Really moving through here.
Close and balance $135 million on the buy side.
All right. Neuros or IWM. That's one of my calls. So that's the mid caps. So that was a $900 in the money call that I made, and the first day I was down $600 quick. SB, let's go. That is silver those safe bulkers. Whoa, is it pumping? Teal, what's up here? Well, yeah, I've got SB for a call too, but it's not doing very well. In fact, when I go back over here, we'll look at XERS. All right, XERS. There we go. XERS. We're going to jump on this little FOMO into this little rocket. It is a penny stock. Give me a good fill here. Give me a good fill, and let's keep it going. If we get a good fill, I don't know what the volume is really good. Not up to par what it should be, but it's I don't know why volume has fallen off of so many stocks. What was that? I missed it. Something is it was it GRBO that she just called out? CRTX. CRTX is on the move. GRT. I think we missed a pump. Yeah, we probably did. XERS should be. I mean, it's got a million. What's kind of? I mean, we got 18,000. It's got enough to move here. It needs to. It's got the volume to move. It's 6.4. So we're at 6.45. But look at this one right here. Where's my? Yeah, this is the one here. I got down $600 in the first day. Made it back in 2 days. Literally, that was on Thursday. So that's the mid caps. I'm playing that a lot of the profits will be taken in the large caps, not all, but a lot, and move into IWM, which is the mid caps, and IJT in the small caps. So that's also what we're playing. ESPR is moving. ESPR. Take it a little bit. How big of a stock is that? I'll take 50 there. There's the fill. Can we get a good fill here? And then I'll back it up with another trade here if I can get a good fill here. Damn it, getting red on the 1, the 2 is going to be green. No, it's red too. Dang it, that's not good. It's not going to be good for my fill. All right, gotta keep moving. Moving here very, very quickly. We need to get to the bottom. We've got a lot of good grinders. RGP, it's a good one too. I think she was calling that one out. RGP. Yeah, it's still on a. We'll go $1,700. We'll go $1,700 deep in that one. We've got $1,000 fill on XERS, waiting for it to do something. It's not moving the way it should. ESPRE is not moving. BMTX, let's go. BMTX. Teal's got a BMTX. Let's go. Not a lot of volume in that one, but we will take a position. Take a $4,500 or $450. TSLA. Tesla. Look at Tesla, just grinding. Why not? Okay, dude, you can't take a big fill in this one. You will absolutely wreck your P&L if it goes the wrong way. FGL, guys, FGL. That is forget the FGL. That doesn't have any kind of volume. Tesla, we've got a big fill of $11,000 fill. Our RGP is grind. ESPR. Fortnite is just it's going the wrong way. Jumping out of that one. We have lost. Player, you went the wrong way. You're playing for the wrong team. All right, XERS. I don't know. Even though it's just not moving, and I don't like things that don't move because things that don't move, they get sold off. So, all right, Tesla, do something here. XERS is not doing much. Tesla just showed its first red candle. Of course, we may have missed that one. We may have missed it really wasn't a pump. It's just more of a hard grind. So, but Tesla's such a big stock. If you get a big fill in that, say we took 100 shares, good God, that's a $100,000 fill. That would wreck if it went the wrong way and you had to jump out. All right, SCYX still grinding up 4% or 3.5 B cell. We jumped out of that one. It's now up 24%. Congratulations. I know that's a meme stock as well. Kodak, what's up? We're KODK. All right, there we go. You want a big fill on this one? Look at Now, Kodak has been an all off and on type. Look at Tesla. What are you doing, Tesla? Don't need to get wrecked today, baby. 11,000. Got to watch Tesla very, very closely. I need to get a good fill on Kodak. See if Kodak is at 3.5. We need to pull. We need to pull about 4.5 in that one, and I would call that a win for that. That stock, GBT, still moving. So I hear. If somebody wants to look at that one, GBT, Tesla is BBLG again. BBLG. Yeah, we get head faked on this one. That's not. It's moving higher, but it's not what I want to see. DTSS. We've seen it move before. Why is DTSS? DTSS is moving. Let's go. Data C. I don't know if it's gonna get the volume or not. Let me look at the volume. It's gonna be close. We're gonna jump into that one. $2 stock. Tesla. I'm gonna have to jump out of this damn thing. Come on, Tesla. You're on the one. Got to clear. Where'd I get in at? I got the fill at 1196. I mean, it's at 119. No, it's not. The high was 1197. I can't let Tesla wreck me here. Got to get out. Out we go. All right. Can't get wrecked in that stock. Kodak got a $3,000 fill, and we've had a pullback. It pulled back before, so let's see what it does here. This is if it breaks down here, because there's the resistance. In NVM, let's go. NVM. Nova. It's a $100 stock, bro. I don't know. Is that thing gonna move at all though? Kodak's going the wrong way. It did the head fake. Did it break resistance? It's sitting right on support. After it broke, and now it's come right back down to that support level. And I think it just broke through. Let me look at data. DTSS was a bad call by me. Wow, I got to get out of it quick. That thing does not look promising. Now that was not a good call. Not a good call at all. We're down to 53 on the P&L. Kodak still sitting on that support. We got a big fill in NVMI. Yes, Grill. We actually got some. We took profits from. Is it still grinding? I'll jump back in. Give me $1,000 fill. Go $1,000 because Kodak is not doing it for me. It's sitting on the support, and it's not even moving. So I'll close that out because if it's gonna, it should bounce up, but just because of the underlying trend. But there's a head fake here though too. Grill. I got a bad fill on Grill. I'm gonna stick with it a little bit longer today. DTSS. Don't know why I'm not getting out of that stock. Come on, play. Get me out of the stock, Weebull. Got a lot of slippage there. Got to keep moving. So I'm sticking with. I'm going to stick with Grill a little while longer, Brendan. So just so you know, there's a lot of stocks grinding right now. A lot of stocks moving higher. Just a really good day for the market. I think the market's. Oh yeah, look at the Nasdaq getting back to those intraday highs. Watch it turn back here too. S&P's got a long way to go, and the Dow is just directionally sideways, as you guys probably already know. Look at Rumble. Is it got power? Or RMBL? Do I get in RMBL? Because we've been burned by RMBL because here we go. Rumble. What? It's a $4 stock or a $400 fill. $400 fill. Let's go. Grill, boom. Keep it going, Grill. Love to see it. Now I'm short DTSS. I don't want to be short. All right, we're out. That one. Eastman Kodak. Don't know why it's still sitting there. And NVM has not moved. NVM has not moved. I'm an NVMI. Is NVM and that's it? I've got NVMI. That's the one that I'm in. Never mind. I thought it was. That's funny, man. That's actually pretty funny. Never mind. I've never used that acronym before. All right, Kodak, get me out, you punk. Good Lord. Oh, RGP has done me wrong. And actually, it just went positive. What am I going to do with the RGM here? I'm up 3. Grill's up 31. I don't need Grill taking a dump, though. That's the thing. If it pulls 50 here, I'm out. And I'll say thank you very much for its consistency today. RGP is just grinding. It's not a rocket. Jump out of that one. And say thank you very much for their conviction and their opportunity for us to profit off of those stocks. RGP, I may have just gone short. Grill R51. God, what? Huma is still pushing 2. Huma, one of the favorite stocks on the Telegram channel, HMUA. Well, if we need to jump back in, yep, it's getting close. Look at this, though. I mean, that is the definition of just really absorbing gains. You know what I mean? It's got to digest those gains. There goes Grill again. Pushing. Oh my God, do I have to get in this thing again? I'm just going to get in at a lower level, up 128, 44 minutes. Not bad, guys. Not bad at all. Brandon, thank you very much. Till we actually made some money today as well. So we have 15 minutes in the session. What else are we seeing? Grill. LMNL. Don't we? Yeah, that's the bioscience. Oh, yeah. Nice. FGF's going off. FGF is going off hard. FGF's I got a red count. There it goes. Grill's gone the opposite way, but FGF, give me a good fill. Grill's moving. RGP, I don't know why I'm not out of the stock. LMNL, we got a decent fill. Grill is, well, it's. I mean, look at that, solid, full on grind up. Got some serious candles on that bad boy. RGP, I don't know why I'm not out of that. Rumble, I just can't stand it. I got to clear the P&L a little bit here. I can't be watching all this. Now, Grill, you're going the wrong way, playa. Is this a sell-off? FGF is done its job. Yeah, there goes the Grill the wrong way. I can't hold on the 2 minute. The 1 minute's gonna be bad. Yep. All right, Grill. Thank you for playing. We were done with you today with the head fake. FGF wants to push up. Come on, FGF. I got to test the trade line. Yeah, that's where. Okay, FGF was up 15. It looks like it's going to do the same thing it did here. There is no support, or there is no market memory, at least intraday here. Doesn't look like. Maybe from the 26th, there is. Jeez, man. Jeez. FGF is back to even. All right, got to keep rolling through here. I just saw one. NCNO may run. God, it's more of a grind though. Boy, the AI, that chick's going nuts, which is good to hear. You know, because you'd rather it be a lot than a little. Boxel. Oh, got turned back at the. All right, yes, you can democratize finance. Looking through here. So CAR, the symbol CAR is going to have earnings right after the bell. Just so you know, it has been in a phenomenal uptrend since about 6 months. So Avis is the name, but I believe the ticker is CAR. Look at REGI. Oh, it's kind of a pivot there, not a full pivot, but it is directionally sideways now. Let's move through here very quickly. What was that one? LLNW. Let me look at the P&L real quick. FGF is completely F'd me, if you would. Let me just bend over and grab my ankles. Ridiculous. LMNL doesn't know what it wants to do, and I can't get. Well, I can get out of that one. Just got to get out of the short. BMTX just doesn't have the volume. BMTX at TL does not have the volume. It just hadn't moved for me. I'm going to close. Never really got to shoot its shot there. LMNL looks like it's got some volume, but it needs to do something here. Or we're going to cut it. Where are we up? 100. I'm losing. What is Huma doing? HUMA? Is it? It's directionally sideways as well. Looking for a little bit of some juice here at the end. We're up 100. Stay right around that mark, but I will go big here for sure. So looking at, we'll trade a little bit heavy. I thought I heard her say TSLA. She did not. The AI, it's kind of distracting me though. From what I want to talk about. I don't know. What do you guys think? I mean, I'm not even sure if you guys can even hear it in the background. It's stubborn. Yeah. It really is. Not sure if I really like it. We'll stick with it for maybe one more day and see if I can, because it's tough to listen to her talk, think, look at you guys, and then trade it at the same time, right? A lot of things going on there. A lot of things happening in that scenario. All right, guys, we got to find some magic. NMG. Don't even know what that is. IGT. Is it going nuts? IGT, we are in that one for sure. $3,000 fill. LM, oh my gosh, lost my shit in LMNL. I'm down to 77. I'm well below 100. We did not keep up with that one. IGT got me a great fill. That's really just a grinder though, if you want to be honest. But that's what you get with the AI. The AI can't spot the rockets. They just spot the ones that are making new highs, right? New intraday highs, that is. So, you take the good with the bad, I guess. That's just the way it works. We can hear, but it's not distracting to you. Yeah, it's kind of distracting to me. Look at all the turn-ups. Look at this, guys. This is really. Look at that. NASDAQ may break its intraday high. That'd be great to see. I don't know if the S&P will, with 10 minutes left in the session, but here we go. If ARK is turning up, you got a lot of stocks turning up. Plug up 9%. Congratulations there. Did I say BBAG? IGT. That's what we want. Keep pumping. Say BBAG. Was that one? PBYI. Never heard of that one either. ACHL. I don't think it's good. Does it have the volume here? No, doesn't have the volume. BCRX. Got it. BCRX. Let's see if it gets turned down. Oh, it's got to clear. You're right, brother. Dominic, you are learning, my man. It's got to clear that tower. The 1527. It's got to get it over it. It's at 1526. Got turned back on the 1 minute. The 2 minute, it got turned down again too. Damn it. So close. Going back to it now. Grind down here. Let's go. We're gonna make the eyes bleed. Up we go now. A lot of grinders. A lot of grinders that they could turn. Easily turn. Let's go. HGEN. I don't know. It'll take me back to the top though. Yep. You're gonna take HGEN, we'll take that one. Looks like it hadn't cleared the tower on the 1 minute. We're not gonna bust our ass on that one. IGT, what's happening? IGT, you piece of. Thank you for your non-compliance, bro. Oh, BUZI, BUZI. What? That's not. Boy, she's absolutely just going crazy. Just calling out tickers. MLI still grinding, looking good. Anything else? Let me know if BCRX clears that tower. That's what we're looking for here. Huma, it's still grinding. Gosh, Huma, that's a great stock. Up 18%. Nice, very nice. Again, that's the oil and gas. I'm guessing a lot of them are doing that. That's probably why my options right here are actually up a little bit because of the crude. But crude closed out the day. I want to say under 84, so I don't know why it would be going off. Look at CNC. It wants to. KBSC. Nope. ANCR. Nope. I'm hearing things. So the Robinhood listing was just another lie. The Robinhood listing was just another lie. I'm not sure what you mean. Like, Hood pumped. In fact, people thought it was going to be a meme stock, right? But Robinhood, it's basically a crypto stock, right? That's where they make their money at, right? So that's what it is. So if crypto's up, you would think Hood would be up, especially if they tie their. I mean, is Shiba going to be listed there pretty soon? That's the rumors I'm hearing. And certainly on TikTok, I hear it all the time. So Shiba gets listed. I don't see why they wouldn't, because they want as much volume as they possibly can. The more volume they have, the more that they actually win and can take. Because, yes, I'm not a big fan of Robinhood. Don't like the slippage. Don't like anything. The only thing I like about them is their options. I can do them in the car and on the run. You ever said that there was a rumor Shiba? Yeah, I thought the same. I thought the same thing. ESPR is going off. ESPR, we're on it. We jumped in that one before. So it gets the 1022. It's got the wick down. It's got the wick down. That's what kind of candle's that? Like, look at that. It's all wick, and then you've got the red at the bottom. So it pumped. HGEN is still doing its thing. It's got to clear the tower here. It went back and we stayed with it. It's got to clear the tower at 750. We are at 753 in this fill. We're up to $75 with 5 minutes left. Looking for some magic. There we go. HGN. Let me buy a little more in this little breakout. Come on. Big time. I just went $3,500 deep. Should have a $3,800 fill coming up. Dang, I don't need a red candle. Do not need the red candle. It's not. You're not trying to. Oh my gosh. We're gonna have to dump already. Dump that one. I'm gonna have to dump again, I bet. There's the $4,100 fill. Damn it! Come on. I'm gonna stick with it 1 minute more. 1 minute more, and then I've got to jump out. I thought I'd clear $100 a day. BCRX cleared. BCRX with my one hand. Nice. We're in big too. 500. That's a big fill. Big fill. That's a $7,500 fill. I need to go back to HGEN. BCRX got a great fill, up $5. HGEN down 2. What are we doing here? That's on the 1 minute. The 2 minutes going to show red too. Damn it. Oh, it's not what I wanted to see. It's still grinding though. It's not like it's got to clear the tower. It cannot clear the tower. It needs to clear the tower again. BCRX is a runner. Nice. Good call, Dominic. Love it. Another red day, Jeff? No. Today, bro, of all days. Like, there's so many grinders out there. HGen is not going to do what I wanted to do. Ooh, hang on. Could I get a better fill here? Let's see what this candle's gonna do. One more. Come on, give me. That's it. Done. That sealed its fate. BCRX is up 10, but needs to keep grinding. I need another green candle, and we'll jump out of that one. Take profits. Nice. Yeah, Jeff. Why the sad face, bro? Look at all the grinders right now. You can jump in anything right now, big, and probably hit something. So, well, I wouldn't say anything, but a lot of things. ZIOOP wants no, it doesn't want to go. Had a little pivot. That's all right. Not a pullback yet, and certainly not a drawdown. But look at this FRSX. Looks like it's still grinding. Let me get you a good grinder here. SVRA, SRGA. It might be going sideways now. RNA. There you go. That actually might be a rocket. No, did the pivot and pullback on that one as well. Let me move quickly through here now as I tune out the AI here and just try to figure out a good grinder. Now, at this point, with 2 minutes left, you want to understand what you're going to keep overnight. Look at MNDT. Oh, all right. Well, what is the P&L showing? P&L, we're up 70. Don't know how I got into B. Riley. That's a very odd that I got into that one. And I'm going to close out my $7,600 position. And that may be it. Up 7. If I can stay up 70, I'll be very happy. CND. What are you going to do, CND? Little Concord. Oh, what's it doing? I'm not going to. I can't do that. B. Riley, get out of my life. Clear my P&L. Another red. Gosh, man, I can't believe you had a red day today. I mean, I had good options today. I had good stocks. I didn't day trade though. I did trade the STSA, the BECE, and the ARCH. They were all up, and ARCH actually went up about 17. Did not get the full 17. I didn't get in late. I got in late. Really got about 6 to 10. I forget exactly what I got. Look at this. We just went. That was a closing bell. Ding, 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 ding. As we all know, you got to close out at some point. So, with that being said, guys, gosh, what a day. So, what did we end at? Did we get out at 7? Did we get out exactly 70? And I don't know why B. Riley is not getting me out. Up 70. That's not bad. It's nowhere near what 663 was on Friday, but hell, I'll take it, right? Your entries, well, the entries and exits are all about the TA, brother. You got to watch that TA. There was a guy that I was listening to on a podcast over the weekend, and he's like people. I guess guys were giving him hell about trends and TA, and he's like, well, unless you have a tool from the future, you let me know a better tool than TA and trends. Just let me know one. You know, nobody said a thing then, right? Because that's all we really have is TA, momentum, relative strength, right? And that's really it. And basically trends, right? And clearly past performance is not indicative of future performance, but for the most part, it typically works. Only thing I'm not read on today is AABB. AABB. I don't even know what that stock is. AABB. Let's look. Yeah, that would be a OTC. So, but I don't know how. So you guys are just going after, that stocks that are in message boards? Look, I like things that are doing this, right? That are going up. And I see a lot of people trying to trade stuff that are, it's going down that they've read on the message board or a subreddit or something like that. And man, that's just a hard. Now, the insiders look at this sucky stock. That sucky stock right there. That is a suck stock, right? And we called it because the jockey bought 6 million shares literally right here, right? Should be the 27th. Sorry, right here. So. Clearly bought the dip, knew something was going to take place. Boom. As soon as it had not moved, it moved 6 cents, and then it busted out to 17 today. We got this our 6 to 10. I forget what I got on it. I got a percent on this one, and then I got a 1.5% on STSA. STSA, by the way, guys, is in a very good uptrend. I'm not saying it's a great stock, but the relative strength has been rising since October. It looks good now. Again, it's got a. I mean, if it gets to right here, there's some supply here. This supply is probably gone, but that supply here can move relatively quick, and you're looking at all-time highs at 7 or multi-year highs at 734. So I'm not saying it's a good stock, but that biotech seems to be on the move. It's also got a very, very small float too, so it can be pushed hard, and the price target's 11. So with the relative strength being above 70, and it hit 70 today, it hit 70 2 weeks ago as well too. So, all right, guys, I got to run. Jeff Klein says my swing plays are doing good. Just need to work on my intraday skills. Yeah, we just got to watch that TA. Got to watch those trends. It's very, very tough to make money when you're in stocks that are doing this. Like, it's very tough. Like, unless you know something or you think somebody else knows something, this is a shitty stock. And when I say shitty, this is the worst stock. Like, look at all of this supply right here, right? So even if it gets through some of this, and it possibly could, it's going to get stuck hardcore, and that's where the bull bear pivot on the 20-day sits too, about the $10 mark. So I don't know anything about the stock, so it is what it is. But that was one of the calls, and just because there was a $6 million insider buy. So all right, guys. With that being said, Brendan, thank you very much. Kimberly, it's always a pleasure. Thank you for being here. Assidious 1864, appreciate you. Dominic, you're awesome. Teal, you are my man. Brendan, get it right, but I like the grill call today. Thank you so much. Thank you. Fortune Quest, thank you, sir. We really appreciate you being here today. I hope I didn't scare you off. If that is how we work here from above, always a pleasure as well. And with that being said, on YouTube, we will see you tomorrow. YOLO, I should be here all week. I don't know why I wouldn't be here all week. So YOLO all week. Join me again 3 p.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. Central, and we've got the time change on Saturday night as well. So I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. And with that being said, watch your six, go hard in the paint. We will see you tomorrow, guys. Thanks so much for being here. Appreciate you.